In this tutorial, you will learn how to delete all tweets at once. TwitWipe is a free tool that can do that, but it lets you keep all your followers, favorites, and the people you're following. First, open your browser and go to twitwipe.com. Then press the Get Started button. Scroll down, complete the CAPTCHA, and click on Proceed. If you're signed into Twitter, this site will ask you for permission. Next, you'll be redirected to the application website, and you'll find a message to confirm that you want to delete or wipe all your tweets. Press the Yes button and be careful to not close the web page. Once the process is completed, you'll be able to sign out of the app. Congratulations! You've just learned how to delete all tweets at once.